because I can see that you can see inside of it when the fire.
It's still there.
And somebody told you already how old it is?
10.
10?
Yeah.
They told you 10 years old?
Yeah.
Who told you that?
The realtor.
They would have to 10 years old?
Yeah.
It's 24 years old.
24.
Yeah, it's 2022. Not 2022, 20, no. It's 2002.
2002?
Yeah, I can show you.